The internet might have been surprised with the Pista name chosen by Ferrari for the hardcore 488, as everyone expected it to be labeled the GTO, but there's no doubt that Maranello's latest supercar should be very exciting indeed. Coming to replace the 458 Speciale, which in turn succeeded the F430 Scuderia and 360 Challenge, the new 488 Pista wants a piece of the Lamborghini Huracan Performante and Porsche 911 GT2 RS. There's no reason it won't do so, as it needs just 2.85 seconds needed for the 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 mph, run and has a top speed in excess of 340 km/h, 211 mph. All of these come courtesy of the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, which delivers 720 PS, 710 horsepower, and 770 Nm, 568 pounds-to-foot, of torque. Chopping the roof off the new 488 Pista would be the next logical step for Ferrari. Likely adopting the Aperta name, the open-top version of the supercar was imagined by Pog in a mustard yellow shade. The renderings look pretty much spot on, and nobody will be surprised if the actual product looked like this. Imaginary open-tops aside, Ferrari will bring the coupe at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show for its public debut on March 6.